Hello everyone, I'm Debbie. Welcome to page Binti Minjay Arise. Today we going to learn lesson 24 about Jesus obey. In this video we can learn 4 words together. So the first word is rule. Rules. Rule can spell R-U-L-E-S. Rules. Second is stop. Stop can spell S-T-O-P. Stop. Third is slow down. Slow down can spell S-L-O-W-D-O-W-N. Slow down. Number 4 is be quiet. Be quiet can spell B-E-Q-U-I-E-T. Be quiet. Example: please obey the rule. Please obey the rule. Second, please stop. Please stop. Third, please slow down. Please slow down. Number 4, please be quiet. Please be quiet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 4 words that we learned and leave it in a comment so that we can have check. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. If you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link above or below. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.